Today marks the first ever NHS Social Care and Frontline Workers Day. It's a chance for us to come together, reflect and say an enormous thank you to the countless professionals who went above and beyond to help our communities during what has been one of the most testing times in our country's history. It's also an opportunity to pause for a moment and remember those who so tragically lost their lives in the line of duty while they worked tirelessly to save others. I will be joining colleagues to mark the national silence at 11 a.m. today, and I'm sure many people across our community will also be taking the time to pause and reflect. There is also a national toast at 1 p.m, where people are encouraged to raise a glass to our key workers and all they continue to do. Our NHS and healthcare workers, along with the millions of frontline key workers who kept essential services running across the country, have been real heroes at a time of greatest need. It has been a huge national effort, but our own local networks and partnerships have also shone bright since the pandemic took hold in March 2020 and changed our lives almost overnight. This includes the many key workers here at Chesterfield Borough Council and other councils in Derbyshire who pulled together to help our communities in too many different ways to mention individually. But from delivering prescriptions and food parcels to the most vulnerable, to keeping essential services like bin collections running, we have pulled together to weather the storm. I have been so proud of the resilient spirit and compassion that our community has shown during these challenging times, and I want to thank all those key workers who have played such a critical role. Today has been chosen as it marks the birthday of the National Health Service when it was created back in 1948. Healthcare for all, free at the point of access, is something that we should rightly treasure, and the pandemic has only served to drive home the message of just how valuable our NHS is. We have lived through a lot since March 2020, and while we have come such a long way and we have a lot to be hopeful for, the pandemic is not over yet. Our NHS, healthcare and frontline workers are still needed as much as they ever were as we continue to battle the virus. Their ongoing determination, commitment and compassion is to be applauded, and our message today is clear. Thank you for all that you do and continue to do for our communities.